Hello guys, I'm May Paris, and today I will be showing you how to make hard candy replicas of the Infinity Stones from the new Marvel movie, Infinity War. First off, you will need a pot to boil water in, a glass heat-proof bowl, and Jolly Rancher hard candy, or any hard candy that come in the same colors as the Infinity Stones. You also need a pan with wax paper. So the first thing you will need to do is to boil water. Now once the water is fairly warm and almost to a rolling boil, you want to put it in your heat-proof bowl. Now what I have done with the bowl is I already filled it up with hot water so it can get to a temperature to where it somewhat matches the boiling water. You do this because you don't want the glass bowl to crack, even though it may be a heat-safe bowl. And once the water is in the bowl, you want to place in your Jolly Ranchers. They want to be in there until they are soft and easy to manipulate. Now here, this one is fully soft, and then I just mush it between my fingers to where it gets a stone-like look. When it is done, I take it out of the wrapper because you don't want it to be out of the wrapper when you're mushing it because you can get the dye all over your hands. Now here's the final product of all of our Infinity Stones. So when they are done and squished, you want to dry them off with a paper towel.